Hey there, how's it going? Sometimes when you open the Intel Extreme Tuning Tool or XTU, you may encounter a lightning bolt symbol indicating that undervolt protection is enabled. Therefore, this prevents you from undervolting, and that's quite a huge drawback, since undervolting is a useful technique for reducing CPU temperature while maintaining performance. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Here I'm using the ASRock Z790PG Sonic motherboard with Intel 13600K. To get started, navigate to the OCT Weaker tab and click on CPU configuration. Scroll down until you find the undervolt protection option. By default, it's enabled. Simply disable it and next go to the Advanced tab, click on CPU configuration again, and this time disable Intel virtualization technology. And that's it. This workaround should work for all Intel motherboards with these options. Now let's save the changes and go back to XTU. As you can see here, the lightning bolt symbol is no longer present and we can now simply undervolt however we want. In order to test it, I'll tune the CPU voltage offset slightly in the negative direction. Additionally, we can fine-tune the voltage on per core basis. Look at the graph as the changes are applied smoothly without any issues. I hope this fix helps you utilize this easy and useful tool for tuning your Intel CPU without having to go to BIOS back and forth. And by the way, speaking of tuning, in the coming days I'll be creating video guides covering topics such as maximizing the performance of the 13600K as well as the ARC 770. So please make sure to subscribe as I'll try to draw full potential of this awesome hardware while maintaining stability. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.